Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the code of Creator Discovery app. And specifically for this part, I'm going to focus on the first feature or page Creator Brand Match. So Creator Brand Match feature enables users to find similar videos across brand and creator collections using advanced embedding-based similarity search. So for example, you can select direction here. So if we select creator to brand, then we can select the creator video first from the left side. And then if we click find matches, then we will see the matching brand videos on the right side like this. So if we look at the diagram of the data flow, we can see that we leverage both brand and creator indexes from 12 labs. And the first main flow is how we are showing these keywords or user metadata of the selected video. So in order to do this, we first get video from 12 labs to get video details. And then we first check if user underbar metadata exists. User underbar metadata is the key that 12 Labs allows developers to save custom metadata of the video. So if yes, then we can just simply render these user metadata or keywords. If not, we are calling analyze API to 12 Labs, and then we store that response to each video, and then we can render these user metadata. But the real or core function of this page is really to find matches. So on find matches, we first check if embeddings are already stored in Pinecone. If not, we first get video from 12 Labs. And then because the video details of indexed videos already include embeddings data, we can just simply save those embeddings to Pinecone. And in Pinecone, we use single index to store all the embeddings data of brand videos and creator videos in one place. And after this process, or if we already have embeddings saved in Pinecone, we can then finally search for similar videos. But you can see that we also have embed request here. That is because this feature is really hybrid search, combining text and video embeddings. So we not only find the similar videos by leveraging video embeddings, but we also leverage text embeddings using these keywords or user metadata or video title. So for the code, let's look at this process more in detail. So in high level, this project is built with Next.js. So inside app folder, you can see the folders for each menu or page. And inside API folder, you can see all the routes that we're using. And inside each route, we're making the API request to 12 Labs. So that's really, really high level structure of the code. And if we go to Creator Brand Match page, and on the bottom part of the code around line 450, you can see that we are running two searches, text to video embedding search and video to video embedding search at the same time. So first, if we look at the text to video embedding search, this is inside API hooks. So this is really a hook or bridge kind of function. So inside, we first get video details, and then inside video details, there's user metadata, and we are retrieving and joining the first three metadata values as search term. And in any case, if there's no user metadata, we are using the system metadata and using the video title or file name as an alternative. And then with the search term ready, we are making a request to this route, API embedding search text to video. So let's take a look at that route. So here we already have the search term ready. And then here we're making the request to embed API. So we include search term in the form data. They make the post request to embed endpoint. Then we can get and store the embeddings of that search term into text embedding. And now with text embedding ready, we can now make a query to Pinecone to make the similar videos. So we provide text embedding as vector, and then we filter the videos by index ID, and then we get the similar video results from this query. Yeah, so that was text to video embedding search. And now let's look at the video to video embedding search. So video to video embedding search. Oh, oops. So yeah, again, we're in API hooks. So here we're making the post request to this route, API slash embedding search slash video to video. So if we go to that route, then we first get the original video's embeddings and store them in original clip query, and then we use them as vector to get the similar videos to the original clip query. And yeah, this is because we already stored all the video embeddings in Pinecone. We are just simply making the query to Pinecone to get the similar videos. So yeah, that was the very high level code walkthrough for the creator brand match feature. Thank you.